What's up, guys? As you guys know, I blew my transmission a week ago. I blew third gear and there's something rattling inside my transmission. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this seat out today. I just got a hardwire kit. I'll show you guys in a bit. And I'm gonna take the seat out, get my car towed to my friend's house, which is 2 miles from the dyno. And he's gonna install my hardwire kit for me. And then tomorrow morning, my girlfriend's gonna drive me down there. So I should be there by 9 a.m. tomorrow and then drive this thing to the dyno and then get it tuned. So I only need first gear and fourth gear to get it on the dyno. So my tuner told me to pull up, so fuck it, I'm gonna full send it. See what happens. If the trans blows up even more, it's already blown up. What's the worst that can happen? Motor blows up. I don't want to jinx myself, but yeah, I'm taking out the seat because it's really hard to work in here with this roll cage in the back already. So, and the seat slides, but still it's not enough room for Diaz to work in here. I feel bad. Dude, look at the clearance to work on the fuel pump back here. That's all you get because the fuel pump is right in the back right here, if you guys didn't know. And literally, like, you have to stick your head through like here and then your arm through like here and just work on it. It's such a hassle, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, I think the car is ready now. Just got to install that hardwire kit and relocated that boost controller wire that was connected to my throttle bodies. That was probably causing my issue, which is still there. Other than that, I think it's ready. Here, I'll show you guys my hardwire kit that I bought. So this is what I got for my hardwire kit. That's pretty much it. This is what I needed. Didn't know I needed this for my 525 fuel pump. This is a hardwire kit that connects to the top of the fuel pump and then locates over here to the battery. I really hate wiring. I'm not good at wiring, that's for sure. So I'm gonna let the homie Diaz do it. Glad he's gonna take care of it for me right before we go to the dyno tomorrow, because it's so short notice, so that's really nice of him. Appreciate it. And then after the dyno, I'm gonna take this to my friend's shop in Palm Springs and leave it there. So what we're gonna do with the transmission issue is I have a 100,000 mile warranty on the Z and I have 76,000 miles on the car. I'm gonna take it to my friend's shop in Palm Springs. He's gonna help me with that whole warranty stuff because they might come and inspect the vehicle. So he has a couple stock parts. He has the stock exhaust. Turbo sits underneath, so we're gonna take the turbo kit off. Either way, we have to get the trans out. So he's gonna throw on the stock exhaust or just leave it on the side. If they come inspect it, we'll just have the stock exhaust on the floor. And I don't know, you can show the guy like, oh, I took off the exhaust just to, oh, my couch is here, to look at the transmission. And then with these charge pipes, we'll probably change them out and put on the stock intakes, and we'll leave the intercooler in there. I doubt the guy's gonna know what an intercooler is, or maybe he will, we'll see. But other than that, the car looks completely stock. So besides the roll cage and harnesses and seats and gauges in there and Mickey Thompson's in the back. But we'll see how that goes. I'll walk you guys through the process because I know some of you guys are gonna be curious if the car is still able to get a transmission warranted. Now we're gonna put it just right here. You can put it anywhere you want though. I'm sure you guys are tired. Cool. Let's start our mission, dude. Okay. How good? Am I good? Hold on. Okay.
That's fine.
Okay.
Put that brake on.
And
put it on gear.
Okay. Did my bumper hit?
No.
No? No?
No, your tire just hit this out.
Oh, no way. In the rear?
Now you up my ram.
Nothing happened to your bumper. Nothing happened to your bumper.
Oh, but they slipped out from the rear tires?
Yeah,
That's scary. Imagine how it would have rolled back.
What happened?
So you owe me some ramps, okay?
Oh, you some Rams? How much? Alright, it's the next day. I just picked up my Z from Diaz's house. He installed the hardwire kit for me. So shout out to him because he did it last minute for me. So now I'm headed to the dyno. Oh, 6th gear. So weird going from 2nd to 4th. Unfortunately, we could not finish the tune on the Z again today. The good thing is though, that my throttle body issue that I had for months that no one could figure out, we fixed, which I posted in a video like a couple weeks ago. So that's fixed, so the Z was not running into any throttle body issues anymore, which made me really happy because that was stressing me out, just being in the back of my mind. It was making power. And then we try to do it off the boost controller, which I have here, because he was tuning it off wastegate at first. But something's going on with my boost controller. I did a small pull right now, 4th gear pull on the freeway, and I was shocked. Literally that 4th gear pull felt like a 2nd gear pull. 4th gear pulls, you never really, at least in my car, never really felt it like that ever. Like I got scared because the boost just hit out of nowhere, and it was like it sucked me to my seat the whole time. And usually in 4th gear, if I do a 4th gear pull, I don't feel it, especially because I'm used to the power that my car has been making for the past year. I think we left it at 9 pounds, 471 wheel, and then 421 torque, I believe. I'm gonna take this thing to the shop tomorrow, leave it there, try to get my whole transmission thing figured out, see what warranty's gonna do and stuff like that, and then figure out what's going on with my boost controller and go from there and see if we can tune it again in January when he comes down from Texas. Sounds way different now. Like the wastegates sound different, the turbo sounds different, the motor sounds different. All right, so this is how I fixed it. So port 3, we had it as atmosphere. I moved it from port 1 to port 3, made port 1 atmosphere. This one right here on the left side tees into wastegate on the passenger side and wastegate on the driver's side. To the bottom port of the wastegate, left both wastegate ports up top atmosphere, and then this one connected to port 3 is teed into my boost controller. This goes to the back of the boost controller for vacuum, and then this just connects to my vacuum block. And now it's reading negatives and it's working and showing boost.